The National Weather Service has issued a special weather statement for the following counties or areas. Fairfield, at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. A dark cloud formation is forming across southwestern Connecticut. The winds are so strong that they could cause tree damage and flying debris, moving northeast at 50 miles per wind speed. These clouds have great potential to produce lightning and thunderstorms. Again, this is the special weather statement, issuing that it could be severe weather. Stay tuned for more information on this developing weather.
The National Weather Service and Doppler radar have issued a tornado warning for southwestern Fairfield County, Connecticut. Residents in downtown Stamford have spotted a formation of an EF2 tornado, touching down right near the city of Stamford. Debris are flying everywhere from the tornado. Massive damage and downed power lines have been reported. All residents are strongly urged to remain indoors and seek shelter in a basement immediately. If you are outside, run to the nearest building and hide. Remain away from windows, as any large objects might smash into windows. Remain tuned for more updates from local radio for more information on this situation. Repeating, an EF2 tornado has been touched down, and remain in your home or on a sturdy building to hide.
The following message is transmitted at the request of local emergencies. A tornado that was going around in downtown Stamford and generating damage to houses, power lines, buildings, and vehicles has been dispersing. The tornado clouds are also dispersing, according to the radar indicators. Many civil authorities are on the scene, attempting to rescue many people who are trapped in a damaged home. Power outages have also occurred across Stamford. Again, the tornado is now dispersing. You may exit your shelters. However, remain in your shelters if your house is damaged. Remain tuned for more.